Ndiwo. Collard green leaves with peanut powder. A side dish from Zambia. Serves
You will
4.
need
6 ingredients. Step 1. Pour 1 cup of water into medium-sized cooking pot. Add half teaspoon of pure baking soda and stir until thoroughly dissolved. Place pot on burner on medium heat. Step 2. Add 7 cups of chopped collard greens and 1 chopped tomato. Cook on medium to high heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Add 1½ cups raw peanut powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup of water. Step 3. Stir thoroughly and lower the heat to below medium. Cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every 2 to 3 minutes to prevent bottom from burning. Step 4. Serve hot with nsima. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.